How's it going, everybody? I'm out here in one of my raised garden beds that's been struggling for a little while with a whitefly infestation, and today I'm going to be testing out a product made by Dr. Earth that I've used multiple times myself to combat whiteflies, aphids, and other pests. So that's what I'm going to be using today. It's the Dr. Earth Final Stop Vegetable Garden Insect Killer. I use this Hosen product because it can last up to like 5,000 square feet, so it lasts forever. And it's been super effective in the past for me. And it's also OMRI listed, non-GMO, 100% organic, all certified for organic gardening. And to be honest, a lot of the other products that make similar stuff to this, they make products that kind of smell bad just because of the chemicals and other stuff that they use in there. With this product, it uses all natural oils, natural combatants against the whiteflies and other pests. So it actually also kind of smells good. It doesn't leave as much of a residue on your plants. So I'm going to be using this today for my raised garden bed back here that's been struggling, and I'll also show you how to use this Hosen product as well.
On the back side here, you'll find your hose connector. It has a nice little rubber ring in there to make sure the seal is nice and tight. And then the other side you have where the water ejects. Next thing we want to do is go ahead and get that hose attached. So you're going to take the plastic end of the hose attachment and whatever hose you're attaching, and then start twisting the actual plastic end for the bottle. You don't want to twist your hose. Use the plastic end. It conveniently twists so you can get it on there nice and easy, and then you're ready to go. Next thing we got to do is open this thing up. So what we'll do is we'll pinch this plastic tab to the back, and then we'll take our other finger and twist the actual knob to the right to open it up. And then once you're done, all you have to do is twist it back the other way and it's closed. From there, just turn on your hose and you're ready to go.